roommates. Okay, so now let's try to fill in the blanks. So let's go for the first one, which is Dash is my best friend. Let's try to fill it up with a personal pronoun. I can say she or he. So personal pronouns replace the noun of a person, correct? So we will write she or he is my best friend. Then let's go for the next one. You can pause the video and give your answers. Okay, so let's attempt the second question, which is this book is Dash. So I want you to fill it up with a possessive pronoun. I can write this book is mine, or you can write this book is yours. Both are correct. Now let's go for the third one. Dash are my shoes. So you need to fill it up with a demonstrative pronoun. So I can fill this up with these. So these points to shoes near us, right? So whenever we are pointing to things that are near to us, we write this or these, depending on singular or plural. For singular, we write this. For plural, we write these. And whenever something is in front of us, we write this or these. Whereas if something is far away from us and we are pointing out to that, we say that or those. That for something singular and those for plural. So you need to know the difference between this, that, these, those. This is the difference. So when you're pointing out to things, you use demonstrative pronouns, and when something is close to you, you say this or these depending on singular. If it is singular, you say this. If it's plural, you say these. And if you want to point out to things that are far away from you, you say that or those. That for singular items or people, and those for plural items or people. So here we'll fill up these are my shoes. Then we will see another sentence, which is I did the project by a reflexive pronoun. So we can write myself. So here the action reflects back to the subject I. So we can say I did the project by myself. After that, we have another sentence, which is the girl Dash sings well is my sister. So I want you to fill this up with a relative pronoun. So what can I write here? I can say the girl who sings well is my sister. So relative pronoun connects girl to sings well. Here you can see it's joining these two sentences, which is the girl and sings well is my sister. So who is joining these two sentences? Now let's look at another question, which is Dash ate the last cookie. So I want you to fill this up with an interrogative pronoun. So what can I say? I can say who ate the last cookie. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask a question. So we'll write who ate the last cookie. And finally, Dash left their jacket here. Fill this up with an indefinite pronoun. So I can write someone left their jacket here. So when we say someone, anyone, anybody, these refer to unknown people or someone non-specific in nature. So that is what indefinite pronouns are about. So someone left their jacket here is the correct statement.